Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by disconnecting the battery negative terminal, safety first, then access the remote starter module under dash or in engine bay. Once done, identify the start, accessory, ignition, and ground wires on the harness and label them. Make sure to inspect fuses and the starter relay. Swap in a known good relay if available. You need a multimeter and basic tools now, because accurate voltage and continuity checks will guide the next steps. Do them before proceeding further. You now test the outputs. Energize the remote starter and measure voltage at the starter trigger wire. Expect battery voltage when cranking. If missing, trace back to the module and check solder joints, connectors, and grounds. Clean or recrimp as needed. Once you find the fault, repair the damaged wire or replace the module. Also ensure the solenoid trigger receives the pulse and the vehicle immobilizer is not blocking remote start. Reprogram keys or bypass modules only per instructions from the. You reconnect the battery, secure all connectors, then perform stage tests. Attempt 3 short starts, then full start-stop cycles while monitoring engine and accessories. If it works, tidy wiring, zip tie the harness, and reattach panels. If it still fails, bench test the remote starter module outside the car to confirm output signals. One key troubleshooting tip: if intermittent, swap the starter relay and check chassis ground continuity. Most remote starter failures trace back to a bad relay, weak ground, or poor connector.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.